Hello viewers, hopefully you are doing good and you are well, and hopefully during the pandemic COVID-19 you were stay with good health, you will stay safe in your home and with all issues to consideration. So today we are going to start how to download and install Visual Studio Code to use a script language, scripting program language, scripting for developing your program. That means web development related to HTML, CSS, Java, and PHP program, and Python, and C++, blah blah. So it's a very simple step, and just follow the three steps. First one, we have to go Google. Just go Google, search and write the Visual Studio Code, install it, and click the download option as per our PC configuration. And then after downloading this software, and we just install the program. So let's start. Write Visual Studio Code installer. Studio Code system installer. Okay. Just click here, and we get some links inside the link, and just we'll go to the first one. We're getting there some different options, and I choose one of them, and which one you will the computer support. It is version 6, and you know, if you wanted to download the version, you can download. But this version is available, so you can download this from this. Clicking this window. Since that we I have Windows, I was in the software and other things, and that's why that I install and I download this one for the installation. And so first we go here and just click the install button and start downloading. Also now we come to my PC and download option for the program in 2 seconds. Okay, this is now. So dear friend, there is nothing worried about this. Just click here, double click to install this one, or you can just click right button and click here. Two options. You can follow two of them. You want to double click this file, or right click and run an instruction. Okay, and click the run instruction, then accept the agreement, and okay, next, and install. This installation will occur. Finally, some time will be made to install. So I have this install also done. Okay, this is important. I'm just record this first. So this is a recording system. So this is the PHP file. Since we're going to use a PHP file, it will be a bootstrap file. Just if I use the PHP recording system, then I write question mark PHP, and enter, and just question mark. In between this amount, this gap, just for the code, equal, just double quotation, or a single line. However, yes, this is your coding is completed. And you can show your jump file, or if it is a new file, it's the same file. If it is a new file, then you go to the save as and go to the next file, next.ts PHP save as. If you want to save it as a HTML file, then you go to the save as and click here in next.html. Okay, so friends, it is very simple, very easy. You can download in your PC and to run to coding your scripting language of the Java, PHP, and HTML, CSS for developing website design, website programming. That's all today. Thank you very much for staying with us.